Hi guys, I now want to show you this interesting device. I'm not quite sure what is it. It comes with this leather case. So, show you the aesthetics. The front, one side, the other side. It says GOSSEN. And this is the back. This is the top. There's some sort of aiming reticle inside. I'm not sure what it means. But so it can allow you to change the mode, or you can do like a more zoom and more wide. Not sure what it does, but it's interesting. But yeah, there you go. This is the GOSSEN device. If you guys know what this is, please make a comment down below so I also can learn from you guys. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.